Exercise 3D, factorization. This whole exercise is about factorization. So what do we mean by factorization? It is the process of expressing a product into its divisors or factors. The simplest form of the factorization is type 1, in which you can factorize the given term by taking a common factor. So what is the process? First of all, you will see or you will observe the terms carefully and look for the terms. It means, first of all, in the question you will see which term is common. And then, number 2, write the common factor and divide the terms by it. For example, you will see if there is any common factor, you will take out and you will take out from the bracket, and inside the bracket you will divide the given terms by the common factor. Number 3, write the quotients in a bracket with their proper signs. You will write the common factor outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you will write the quotients with their proper signs. Put no signs between common factor and the brackets. So most of the students, they do this mistake also. They are putting the signs between common factor and the brackets. So this is wrong. You will not take any sign between common factor and the brackets. Number 5. There may be two common numbers in pair of terms. For example, if we have 4 terms, in that case, you will take out a common number in the pairs. Now I will apply all these rules in my exercise also. We are starting exercise 3D, question number 1. Question number 1. Factorize each of the following. Part H. 14xy minus 49y square. 14xy in its factor form, you can write in this form also. 2 into 7 into x into y. Similarly, 49y square you can write in factorization form. 7 into 7 into y into y. Now, first of all, you will see, is there any number or variable which is common in these two terms? Yes, you can see here 7 is here. 7 is also in the second term. Now y, it is in the first term. Y is also in the second term. So 7y is common. You will write outside the bracket. Then 7y is common and 2x is left. You will write inside. In other words, we can also say that this whole term or this first term divided by 7y, your quotient is 2x. Similarly, here 7y we are taking common. So after taking common number 7y, only 7 and y is left. So 7y is left. Or you can say the second term divided by common factor. Your quotient or your answer is 7y. You will write inside the bracket. That's it. Part I. Three a square b plus 6ab square plus 3abc square. So first of all, you will see, is there any number which is common in these three terms? Yes. 3 is common. You can see here. 3 is here. 3 is also the factor of 6. 3 is also the factor of this third term. So 3 is common here. Now, when you will compare a square, a and A. So A is in all the three terms. So you will take out A as a common variable. Now when you will compare B, B square and again B, then only B is common. So you are taking B also as a common variable. But C square we have only in third term. We don't have any C term in second term. And we don't have any C variable in first term. So only 3AB is common. So inside the bracket you will write 3A square B divided by this 3AB. You can see only A is left after taking out 3AB's common. Now 6AB square divided by 3AB, it gives 2B. 3ABC square divided by 3AB, it gives C square. Now next question. Question is same again. Factorize. Now what is the difference between this question and the last question? The difference is here we have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can also apply the same rules here. But the difference is you will take out a common number in the pairs. For example, you will divide your question in two portions. Your first term and second term. You will compare only the first term and second term for taking a common factor. And then you will take out a common factor from the third and fourth term also. For example, 3BC. This is BC. 3BC minus BD. So the factors of BD are B dot D and 3BC, these factors are 3 into B into C. Similarly, 6AC you can write in this way also. 2 into 3 into A into C minus 2 into AD. Now here you will see B is common because B is in first term, B is also in second term, so B is common. So inside the bracket only 3C is left and D is left. And here we have positive sign, so you'll take the same sign here. Okay. Now in third and fourth terms, you can see 2 is also in third term, 2 is also in the fourth term. A is also in third term, A is also in fourth term. So your common factor is 2A and inside the bracket you will write the quotient. So 2A is common here, you can write here, and now you can see 3 and C is left. So 3 into C you can write inside the bracket. Similarly here 2A is common, you are writing outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you can see here only D is left, so you will write D. Now in the next step, again 3C minus D is in the first term and 3C minus D is also in the second term. This is your first term and this is your second term. So 3C minus D is again you are taking a common factor, and the second factor is B plus 2. Similarly, in the next question, factorize if possible. Part B, P square Q minus PQR minus 2PR plus 2R square. So P square Q can be written in this way also, P into Q, and PQR also, as it is P into Q into R. Now 2PR, 2 into P into R, and 2r square as 2 into r into r. This step is not important, but only for your convenience I'm writing this step. In this way you can easily compare the two terms. Now in the next step you can see here, in the first term we have p, in the second term we have p. In the first term we have q, in the second term we have q. It means you can take out pq as a common variable. So inside the bracket you can see here, from the first term pq is common, so only p is left. And the second term you can see pq is common, so only r is left. Or in other words you can say this term p square q divided by pq, your quotient is p. Or pqr divided by pq, your quotient is r. Similarly in here, in third term you can see here 2 is in third term, 2 is also in fourth term, r is in third term, r is also in the fourth term. So your common factor is 2r, and inside the bracket you can see here 2r is common, so only p is left. Here 2r is common, so only r is left here. And here we have negative sign, so these signs will be changed inside the bracket. So here with p you will take positive sign, and here with r you will take negative sign here. These signs plus and this sign minus, I'm changing only these two signs because you are taking minus sign also common. Okay, now in the next step again p minus r is common, so you are writing only one time because p minus r is also in the first term and p minus r is also in the second term, so p minus r is common. So inside, and then the second factor is pq minus 2r. Now next part, m cube plus 2m square plus m square into 2m minus 1. First of all, you will simplify this expression. M cube plus m square, this bracket means multiply, m square into 2m equals to 2m cube minus m square into 1 is 1m square. Now you can easily add these two terms because both are same variables. You can see here m cube, here we have 2m cube, you can add also. So 2 plus 1 m cube equals to 3m cube and minus 1 m square as it is. In the next step, m square is common here because m square is second term, m square is also in the first term. So m square is common, so inside the bracket you will write, here we have the mistake, m square is common, so only 3 is left, 3m is left. And here m square is common, it is outside the bracket, so inside the bracket only 1 is left. And that's it. Now in the next lecture I will explain the next exercise. Thanks for watching the video.